How to manage iPhone photo storage. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your iPhone. Once you're here, tap on the Collections tab. Then navigate to the Utilities option. From here, tap on Duplicates. You can see all the duplicate photos and videos on your phone here. Tap on Merge next to any set of duplicates. Then, tap on Merge Exact Copies to confirm. This combines them and moves extras to recently deleted. Now, go back to the home screen and open the Settings application. Tap on your Apple ID profile at the very top. On this page, tap on iCloud as shown. Here, tap on See All, then select iCloud Photos. Now, turn on the Sync this iPhone toggle. Go back to the main settings page and tap on General. In General, tap on iPhone Storage. Under Recommendations, tap on Review Your Photos and Videos. This shows large files, screenshots, and videos you can review and delete to free up space. Following these steps, you can easily manage your iPhone photo storage.